We are all done. Doesn't this look yummy? Hey guys, Brittany Walker here. Today we're going to be making a quick healthy breakfast, banana oat pancakes with no added naan. Don't forget, before we start this video, hit that like button if you like this video, as well as subscribe so you can see more content. First we'll need a blender. I'm just using the Ninja blender, but you can use whatever blender you have. Quick oats, almond milk or regular milk, 2 bananas, baking powder, a half a teaspoon, cinnamon, and 2 egg whites or whole eggs. Okay, we're gonna add our 2 bananas. Going to add 3 cups of quick oats. Okay, I changed my mind. I actually added 2.5 cups of quick oats. Please don't measure, but I'm measuring for you guys. Okay, now we're going to add our almond milk. And I actually added 3 cups of almond milk. And if we need more once we blend it, we're just going to add some more. Our egg whites. Cinnamon, I'm not measuring this. Add as much cinnamon you would like. Half a tablespoon of baking powder. And that's it. Now we're going to start blending. Okay, so it's a little more soupier than I would like. So I'm just going to add 1/4 a cup of oatmeal, quick oats. And we're just going to blend that up again. So this looks just the right kind of consistency, not too thick, not too runny. So now we're just going to get our pan and start making our pancakes. I'm using this pan here just because it's just easier. What is it called? A skittle? Skittle. A griddle. I'm going to call it a griddle. So I'm using this griddle here just because it makes it a little easier to cook pancakes. Plus, you can cook more pancakes on here. So I'm just waiting till it heat up. I'm not going to put any oil or any butter on it or anything. That just add excess calories. That's unnecessary since the pan is unstick. So we're just going to wait until this heat up, and then we're going to start making our pancakes. bubbles, that's when you know it's time to flip them.
A few moments later.
We are all done. Doesn't this look yummy? And it was no added ingredients, no box pancake or anything like that. No butter added. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a super easy, quick breakfast that you can make when you're home or even before work if you have time. And you can have it with whatever you like. I would recommend having it with pure maple syrup or making your own syrup. So this is what I do. I made my own syrup. So I just put a teaspoon, not a teaspoon, but a tablespoon of butter and honey, and that's it, and warmed it up in the microwave. That's why it's in that cup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to go down and subscribe so you can see more content like this, and hit that like button as well if you like this video. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.